When the Jaguar E-Type debuted in 1961 at the Geneva Motor Show, even Enzo Ferrari reportedly called it the most beautiful car ever made. In that moment, the world changed. And today one of those legends waits quietly inside this stone-walled workshop covered in dust. Silent, but far from forgotten. In 1961, the Jaguar E-Type cost approximately $5,595 in the United States. Remarkable figure considering it delivered performance that rivaled Ferrari models costing nearly twice as much. Under its impossibly long bonnet lived a 3.8 inline-six engine capable of pushing the car beyond 150 miles per hour. Astonishing for its time. Today, over 6 decades later, a properly restored Series I E-Type commands between $150,000 and $300,000, depending on originality and condition. But value is never just about money. That was about emotion. Edward Whitmore walks slowly around the British racing green coupe. This is not just a car. It is rolling sculpture. The bonnet lifts forward in one elegant motion, revealing the legendary inline-six engine. Oxidation covers metal surfaces, fuel lines brittle, carburetors aged. Restoration begins not with force but with patience. Panels are removed carefully, chrome trim labeled, glass extracted gently. The body is inspected for corrosion. Along sills and floor sections, small sections are repaired with precision metal shaping. No shortcuts. The engine is removed and mounted onto a stand. Cylinder head disassembled. Valves cleaned. Every part measured, balanced, replaced unnecessarily because authenticity matters. The paint booth becomes transformation chamber. British racing green is reapplied in layer perfection. Modern clear coat enhances depth while preserving original tone. Under workshop lights, reflections move like liquid glass. The curves of the E-Type catch light in ways few cars ever have. Tan leather seats restitched to factory pattern. Chrome ringed, gauges recalibrated. Wood trim steering wheel restored. Every tactile surface brought back to 1961 condition. Ignition moment fuel flows again. Edward pauses, turns the key. The inline-six cranks, hesitates, then fires. Smooth, mechanical, refined. Not aggressive like a muscle car. Elegant, alive. And one question remains. Is this your favorite classic car? Have you ever seen one in real life? Tell me in the comments. Because some cars are owned, but legends are felt.